Welcome to Precision Craft Factory, where we explore the fascinating journey of how fresh, juicy grapes transform into sweet, wrinkled raisins. The journey begins in these vast, sun-drenched vineyards where nature and technology collaborate to produce the perfect raw material for our process. Before any harvesting begins, experts meticulously test the sugar levels to ensure every single grape has reached its absolute peak sweetness. These endless rows of vines are carefully cultivated throughout the year, requiring precise irrigation and care to yield the highest quality fruit. When the time is right, these massive mechanical harvesters enter the fields, replacing manual labor with incredible efficiency and consistent speed. The machine uses calibrated vibration rods that gently shake the vines, causing the right grapes to fall while leaving the leaves intact. Gravity takes over as thousands of grapes rain down onto the internal catching frames, immediately beginning their journey toward the processing plant. A continuous stream of fresh fruit is transferred directly into transport trucks, ensuring that the harvesting process never has to stop moving. Once the trucks are filled to capacity, they immediately depart for the processing facility to maintain the freshness of the harvested fruit. Upon arrival at the factory, every truck must pass through a rigorous weighing station to track the exact volume of incoming raw materials. The trucks unload their cargo into massive stainless steel hoppers, which serve as the entry point for the facility's complex conveyor system. Powerful conveyor belts lift the raw grapes high into the facility, feeding them into the first stage of mechanical separation and cleaning. This specialized destemming machine uses rotating drums to gently pull the grapes off their stems, discarding the woody waste for compost. The loose grapes fall onto vibrating shaker tables, which help sift out smaller particles, dirt, and loose stems before the washing phase. Powerful air blowers are utilized at this stage to blast away any lightweight material like dried leaves that the shakers missed. The fruit is then submerged into the first agitation tank, where vigorous bubbling water loosens field dust and soil from the skins. Currents of water carry the grapes through a long flume system, using natural friction to gently scrub the surface of every fruit. As they emerge from the tank, high-pressure spray nozzles deliver a final rinse with fresh water to ensure total cleanliness before drying. The result is a stream of perfectly clean, glistening grapes, ready to undergo the dramatic transformation that will turn them into raisins. For traditional processing, the grapes are spread evenly across large drying trays, ensuring maximum exposure to the air for consistent drying. In modern industrial facilities, the fruit enters massive, continuous tunnel dryers, where temperature and humidity are controlled with absolute scientific precision. Inside the tunnels, hot air circulates around each grape, slowly drawing moisture from the center to the surface to evaporate safely. This time-lapse reveals the magical transformation as the grape loses water volume, shrinking down and concentrating its natural sugars and flavors. Technicians monitor these digital panels constantly, adjusting the environment to prevent the raisins from becoming too dry or remaining too moist. The process takes considerable time, requiring patience to ensure the texture becomes chewy and the flavor develops that characteristic rich sweetness. Emerging from the heat, the grapes have now completely transformed into raisins, sporting their signature dark color and wrinkled textured skin. Before they can be handled further, the hot raisins must pass through a cooling zone to stabilize their temperature and texture. The drying process locks in nutrients and energy, creating a shelf-stable snack that retains the essence of the original fruit. The raisins are often stored in large bins to sweat, a process that allows moisture to equalize between the dried berries. Once the moisture levels are balanced, forklifts transport these bins to the most technologically advanced section of the entire factory floor. The sorting process begins by feeding the raisins into a sophisticated system designed to detect and remove even the smallest imperfections. Vibrating shaker tables spread the raisins into a single layer, ensuring that every individual berry can be inspected by the cameras. Advanced optical sorters scan every single raisin at lightning speed, rejecting any fruit that does not meet our strict quality standards. When a defect is detected, a precise jet of compressed air fires instantly, knocking the unwanted item out of the production line. Operators monitor these real-time statistics to ensure the machine is calibrating correctly, maintaining the highest purity of the final product. Despite the high-tech automation, human oversight remains crucial, with skilled workers performing final visual checks on the moving conveyor belt. Safety is paramount, so the product passes through industrial metal detectors and X-ray machines to guarantee absolutely no foreign objects remain. What remains is a stream of premium raisins, uniform in size and color, representing the highest standard of food production quality. To prevent the raisins from clumping together in the package, a very fine mist of vegetable oil is often applied here. This rotating drum gently tumbles the fruit, ensuring that the protective coating is distributed evenly without damaging the delicate raisin skins. Now fully processed and inspected, the raisins travel to the packaging hall, a marvel of modern automation and high-speed engineering. Multi-head weighers calculate the perfect combination of buckets to drop, ensuring every single package contains the exact weight promised on the label. Rolls of printed film are rapidly formed into bags, ready to receive the cascading shower of raisins from the weighers above. In a split second, the raisins drop into the pouch, and heat-sealing jaws clamp down to seal freshness inside the package. The finished bags drop onto the exit conveyor, moving along a steady line towards the final boxing and palletizing stations. High-speed inkjet printers apply the expiration date and batch codes, providing full traceability for every single packet that leaves the factory. Robotic arms, equipped with vacuum suction cups, pick up the bags with gentle precision and arrange them neatly into shipping cartons. Automatic taping machines seal the cartons shut, preparing them for the long journey to supermarkets and consumers around the world. Heavy-duty palletizing robots stack the boxes in precise patterns, building stable loads that are ready for warehouse storage and distribution. To ensure stability during transport, a stretch wrapper secures the entire pallet with layers of strong plastic film, locking everything in place. Forklifts whisk the finished pallets away to the massive storage warehouse, where they await shipment to destinations across the globe. This vast inventory represents the culmination of hard work, from the sunny vineyards to the precision engineering of the processing plant. Trucks leave the facility daily, delivering these healthy, energy-packed snacks to families, bakers, and cereal manufacturers everywhere. Ultimately, the journey ends here, in your home, where the freshness and flavor preserved by our process can finally be enjoyed. Whether eaten as a quick snack or used to add natural sweetness to your favorite dishes, raisins are a versatile superfood. It is truly remarkable to consider the journey from a plump, hydrated fruit to this concentrated, nutrient-dense dried snack we love. Back at the factory, the work never truly stops, as maintenance teams ensure every machine is ready for the next harvest cycle. Sanitation is a continuous priority, with deep cleaning protocols enacted regularly to maintain the highest food safety certifications in the industry. In the Quality Control Laboratory, scientists continue to analyze samples, testing for moisture content, sugar levels, and overall product purity. Precise moisture analysis ensures that the raisins are dry enough to prevent spoilage, but moist enough to remain soft and chewy. Continuous improvement is the philosophy here, as teams constantly analyze data to find ways to make the process even more efficient. Meanwhile, back in the fields, the cycle of nature continues as farmers prune the vines, preparing them for the coming winter rest. Sustainable farming practices, such as precision drip irrigation, ensure that we can continue to produce high-quality grapes for generations to come. As the sun sets over the vineyard, we are reminded that great food production always starts with a respect for the land. The seasons change, but the commitment to quality remains constant, bridging the gap between traditional farming and modern industrial manufacturing. We have witnessed the incredible coordination required to move tons of fruit from the field through rigorous cleaning and washing systems. We have seen the science of dehydration and the advanced optical technology that ensures only the best raisins make the cut. And finally, we observe the automated packaging lines that seal in the quality, readying the product for its journey to you. The result of this complex 15-minute journey is a simple, healthy snack that has been enjoyed by humans for thousands of years. Packed with iron, potassium, and essential fiber, raisins are a testament to how processing can preserve nature's nutritional gifts effectively. From school lunchboxes to energy boosts for athletes, these little dried fruits play a vital role in diets around the world. They are also a baker's best friend, adding natural sweetness and moisture to breads, cookies, and cakes without artificial additives. The factory hums with the rhythm of production, a symphony of machines working in harmony to feed a growing global population. Every batch is documented and tracked, ensuring accountability and maintaining the trust that consumers place in the Precision Craft Factory brand. During the peak harvest season, the lights never go out as the facility operates 24 hours a day to process the crop. The logistics team works tirelessly through the night, coordinating a complex dance of incoming raw fruit and outgoing finished products. Dedicated operators keep a watchful eye on the systems, ensuring that efficiency and safety standards are upheld regardless of the hour. These robust machines are engineering marvels, designed to withstand the rigors of continuous operation in a demanding industrial environment. As dawn breaks, a new day begins, bringing fresh challenges and another harvest of grapes ready to start their transformation journey. There is a certain industrial beauty in these processes, a visual language of motion and repetition that defines modern manufacturing. Every label tells a story, carrying the data that connects the hard work of the farmer to the table of the consumer. Environmental responsibility is key, with advanced water filtration systems recycling the washing water to minimize the factory's ecological footprint. Even the waste products, like stems and leaves, are repurposed into nutrient-rich compost that will eventually return to the vineyards. This circular approach ensures that the production process is not just efficient, but also harmonious with the environment that sustains it. While we focused on dark raisins today, this facility is capable of processing various grape varieties, each with unique characteristics. Golden raisins, for instance, are dried in controlled environments and treated to retain their light color and distinctively tart flavor profile. The classic dark raisin gets its color from the sun or heat caramelizing the sugars, creating that familiar, robust sweetness we know. The production lines are flexible, allowing the factory to switch between different product types to meet changing market demands efficiently. Behind the scenes, inventory managers ensure that there is always enough packaging material on hand to keep the lines running smoothly. The central command center acts as the brain of the factory, coordinating every movement from intake to shipping with digital precision.
Absolutely, I'll meet you guys
Strong
there.
leadership and a skilled workforce are just as important as the machinery, driving the company's success and reputation for quality. At the end of a long shift, the workers head home, proud of their contribution to feeding millions of people worldwide. Between shifts, specialized cleaning crews perform rapid maintenance to ensure the machinery remains in pristine condition for the next team. The final destination is the supermarket shelf, where the product competes with thousands of others for the consumer's attention and choice. When you reach for that box, you are trusting in the rigorous process and high standards that we have just explored together. Food brings people together, and we are proud to play a small but essential part in those cherished family moments. Simple, nutritious, and delicious, the humble raisin is a triumph of food preservation technology and agricultural expertise combined. We have traveled a long way from the quiet green rows of the vineyard to the bustling metallic heart of the factory. We have seen how advanced robotics and human expertise work hand in hand to ensure perfection in every single bite. This is a global industry, connecting local farmers to consumers on every continent, bridging cultures through the universal language of food. Looking ahead, research continues into new grape varieties and sustainable processing methods to meet the challenges of the future. With investments in solar energy and waste reduction, the industry is committed to protecting the planet that provides our resources. There is a profound satisfaction in watching these systems work, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness nature. As the final box of the day is sealed and stacked, we conclude our deep dive into the world of raisin production. From the earth to the factory, and finally to your table, every step is a link in a chain of quality. We hope this detailed look behind the scenes has given you a new appreciation for the technology behind your food. If you enjoyed this manufacturing insight, please hit the like button and share this video with fellow technology enthusiasts. Don't forget to check out our other videos, where we unravel the manufacturing secrets of chocolate, coffee, and much more. Your support allows us to continue traveling the world to bring you these detailed, high-quality documentaries on industrial craftsmanship. Production is an art form, and we are dedicated to showcasing the beauty and precision hidden within these industrial walls. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember that there is always more to learn about the everyday items we often take for granted. This has been a Precision Craft Factory presentation. We look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Goodbye for now. Precision Craft Factory, documenting the world of manufacturing. All rights reserved.